So coming from the backyard, this is what we see. This is supposed to be a Tycon. It's not very highly variegated. Quite disappointing. I'd love to see this colocasia next when it comes out in the next season, because it's only started making nice leaves this year. So trays that we packed for the market. And then as you can see, the Schlumbergia are coming along nicely, making their little buds. There's lots of them hanging. Due to lack of space, my husband made me these rings where I can hang another ring in over here and just hang it full of pots and things. And yeah, this here's a trailing jade. I actually want to use this as a mother plant and cut more so that it's ready for springtime. This is one I made. Down here we have more colocasia, and then we have a variety of begonias that have been propagated. They're very reduced in number right now because of all the sales we had. This is a duplicate of the big plant that I showed on the previous video. And there's the purple one. You can see it's absolutely velvet. Sorry, it's absolutely velvet. The new leaf hasn't changed yet. So these are this little batch is begonias that I'm still propagating. So I'm not, they won't be up for sale for a while. But as you can see, lots of Schlumbergia. And I don't know why, no one can really tell me. I have flourishing, thriving ones in pots like that, and then this happens. Same conditions, same soil. Some flourish and some give you a headache. So this is just like a little bench we have where we've got stuff that I need to sort out. And more colocasias. I just keep them in tubs with water. This one is called Mary the Night. She has like a navy type of color on her. So yeah, but they're all going off now for the winter, as you can see. Yes, if you're looking to buy colocasias, winter's not the best time. So we have some more stuff up there. This is a custom ordered that plant, so it's staying there till she collects it. We have some more begonia up here, as you can see. And here in this next shelf. It's just impossible to pick each and every one up because there are just so many. And then on the shelf we also have a whole lot of things going on. Don Mill is particularly pretty. This has got a huge leaf. And this is begonia, I believe. It's a very pretty plant. And there we also have quite a few begonias. Moyas hanging up there, and Schlumbergia that are ready to give a burst of colour.